Here we are in the land of the outdoors. Todd, I would never think to come here first before I did my outdoor project.
Yeah, and you know what? Quite often people come to us after the fact. They have pictures of this beautiful landscape that we did. And again, by coming here first, you see all the options in pathway lighting, hardscape, wall lighting and up lighting. And if we can get the electrician to know what the design is prior, just much easier. Everything can be run and you can have exactly what you want.
So the key here is before you do any project that has to do with lighting, come to Connecticut Lighting before it's roughed out.
Come to us first. So then when you make your selections after, the options are endless rather than being pigeonholed into, what electrical's already been run.
All right, I got another site to run to. Would you mind if I left?
I'll see you.
All right, take care. Good to see you, Todd.
All right, again, the moral of the story, plan ahead with Connecticut Lighting. You'll be very happy you went to see them before everything's mapped out in your new house or if you're renovating.
Connecticut Lighting has 2 locations, one in Hartford and the second is in Southington. So many choices, so much fun. So head on over to one of those locations. Take a look.
All right, very good.